Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to join you on behalf of the people of Cheruiyot and all the friends of our departed colleague, the Honorable Malulu Injendi, to join in passing a word of condolence and sharing in the sorrow alongside the people of Malava in Kakamega County and his family and friends. Mr. Speaker, I know the Honorable Malulu Injendi quite well. Last year, mid of the year, he hosted yours truly alongside other legislators at his rural home in Malava. We had a good time together with him and his family and proceeded to do a funds drive for women in his constituency. I was particularly impressed, Mr. Speaker, for a member serving his third term. The kind of connection he had with his constituent was something quite worth to marvel at. Because, you know, Mr. Speaker, as you stay longer with voters, sometimes that touch disappears. But he had such a good connection. There is an affectionate name, which sadly I cannot recall. And unfortunately, Senator Boni Halwale was not at that function. So probably he may not remember. But there's a name that they kept on referring to him, and he responded to quite well. I admired that about a legislator. There's something particularly good about legislatures or members of parliament who stay in touch with their people, even as they serve for many terms. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want to pass my personal condolences to him, to his family, his constituents, and friends. Mr. Speaker, it's sad to lose such a young, devout legislator whose work you have shared with us, and do hope that as a parliament, we can afford him a decent send-off, Mr. Speaker, and continue to carry on the good work that he was doing for his constituents, particularly in the sugar subsector, where I know he was extremely passionate. And even when we did the sugar bill last session, Mr. Speaker, sorry, he took time to personally engage me on things that were in that particular bill that he felt should either be included or excluded. I hope in honoring his legacy, we shall ensure that that sector continues to thrive. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Leader of the Minority Party.